Acer Aspire 5 Slim Review. Please take 3 seconds to subscribe to our channel. This 15.6-inch laptop from Acer is one of the most popular budget laptops available online. The slim design, lightweight, latest Intel Core processors, and other features, also make it the best Windows laptop for students and home users. The laptop is also available with Full HD display, and dedicated NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 graphics. The Acer Aspire 5 Slim is a budget laptop that's equipped with the latest 10th generation Intel Core processor. It also comes with the new Intel Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and offers around 8 hours of battery life. The Aspire 5 has a 15.6-inch display and up to 512GB SSD storage. The Aspire 5 Slim is equipped with a 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor, but can also be had with a Core i7 or a Core i3 chipset. An AMD Ryzen variant is also available for purchase. The chipset is paired with 8GB DDR4 RAM and 256GB of NVMe SSD storage. It gets an integrated Intel UHD GPU, but you can configure it with NVIDIA GeForce graphics as well. This makes it a good alternative to the Lenovo IdeaPad, but doesn't stand a chance against the Dell XPS 13. This is a thin and light laptop that features a 15.6-inch display with touch support and bezels all around. It comes with a backlit keyboard, a hard drive bay, 2 built-in stereo speakers and also has an HD webcam. Acer has included plenty of connectivity options on the laptop, including a USB-C port. It even gets a full-size HDMI port and an Ethernet port along with other USB ports, a headphone jack on the right side and dual microphones. If you're looking for something more powerful, try the Microsoft Surface Windows laptop. The Acer Aspire 5 is good value for money, especially for students and regular users. The 15.6-inch display on the laptop supports touch input, and you also get up to 8 hours of battery backup. The inclusion of Intel Wi-Fi 6 ensures that you get fast and stable internet connectivity with dual band support. It runs the Windows 10 Home operating system and features Acer True Harmony technology that improves sound output. The Aspire 5 Slim is a great laptop for the budget-minded and students. It offers good performance with the latest 10th generation Intel Core processors, and has fast dual-band Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Although it only has integrated Intel graphics, you do get up to 8 hours of battery life, and a touch display. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.